Ladies and gentlemen, hello. XRP Armin, this is an emergency. Yes, indeed, it's an emergency. Before I even get started with the video, I really make sure that I thoroughly understand the chart pattern and everything involved. And when it comes to XRP right now, there's actually a really pressing emergency, particularly for the holders out there. I'm going to go ahead and discuss that with you. So if we zoom in here, take a look at the chart pattern right here on TradingView. We have a rather significant opportunity here. And as many of you know, I have a comprehensive training program on chart patterns. And what we're attempting to do here is to understand this particular pattern as it's forming. And before we get too bogged down in all the details, let's look at the formation itself, you see? And we're moving across like this. And then you can see right here, we select, this wick right here, like this, and then we take the other shoulder over here. And that forms what we call a head and shoulders pattern, even though you can certainly move it around. Obviously, we can make adjustments here and there, but the fundamental pattern is clearly present. And quite importantly, it is above this pattern that we're projecting an 83% potential rise. Yes, 83%. And what's more, we've actually broken through the neckline. Now, how do we actually define this neckline? Well, you understand the neckline like this right here, and you can see it creates a rather clear line. I could possibly adjust it upwards, like so, moving it a bit, but ultimately that's not the most crucial element. The primary point is to recognize that this is indeed a chart pattern, and the entire projection above this pattern indicates an 83% target. So how exactly do we determine this target? Well, we approach it like this. We take the peak